Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox the painless wire harness to see kind of how much work we got to go. So, just so that you guys are aware, this is a classic customizable chassis harness, 21 circuit, key and dash, and his part number 10102. So, pop this open. Now, got a sticker we'll put somewhere. So this is the maxi fuse. I think this is actually my old maxi fuse. Maxi fuse though. You'll need, because I have LED taillights and headlights, this is the painless LED flasher. There's that part number. Oops, sorry. The LED flasher, part number 80230. Looks pretty good. I actually have bought spares. If you're looking for wire loom, they also sell some nice power braided wire loom. I have some similar woven, I guess it's called woven loom. Okay. Here is our battery cable. This is what's going to prevent us from burning the car to the ground, because we're going to replace the thin and quite anemic for at least a high output Coyote alternator wiring, just so that that doesn't get overheated and cause a fire. So yeah. Let's see. Yeah, told you. See, I got a spare one of these just in case. Now, with all your painless wire harnesses, you get a nice little connector kit, real nice, some fuses. I actually bought some extra these guys. There's some pinning if you do it, which I have a pinning toolkit. I know. I'm holding out on you on big harness. It's right here. Trust me. So here. Oh, you know what? Actually, there's the plug that I need actually right there for my headlights. Some zip ties, some more little crimps. There's a grommet. Looks like this is a bracket that holds a fuse block. Before you begin, all right, in addition, looks like we have, this is a part of the alternator wiring, looks to be. Got some nice big heat shrink. Several little goodies in here. Ooh, so I think this is different from my kit. This is a plate that is going to mount somewhere under the dash, but I think I might be putting this on the driver's side. Last time I mounted it in the center of the dash. I don't know what I was thinking. Don't mount your fuse block in the center, because one, all the wiring becomes a mess in the center of the dash. Two, if you blow a fuse and you gotta change a fuse, oh lord, you have to crawl underneath. And for those times that I was on the side of the road, it was not good, because being on the side of the road, you don't need to be, out there. Twist this a little bit. You don't need to be, trying to find which one of these fuse in the dark. It's blown out. That's not what you want to do. So let's get all this undone. So I just definitely want to show that why these kits are so nice is because if you can see the lettering on all those, that tells you what it's for, what section of the car it goes, you know, the wiring goes to, all that jazz. I don't know if I'm going to regret unwounding these things, but at least we're going to go to the thing right here. Okay, let's see. What do we got here? We got left turn brake. So this is the so this guy actually goes to the rear of the car. So rear of the car goes over here. Then I think there's going to be two harnesses for yeah, I think it's going to be because there's going to be a section that stays under the dash, and there's going to be a section that goes to the engine bay. Which, oh, actually, it's right here. So, matter of fact, I kind of overlooked it. So just kind of looking. So, rear of the car, under the dash, radio, air conditioning, lights, and all the jazz that goes through this guy. And then over here is basically engine harness and front lights and horn. So cool. I did mention that I had this wire. This is actually the high amp alternator kit. It's meant for alternators that are putting out 140 to 190 amps. This is part number 30700. So as you see, it is the same size as this wire over here. So we have the additional connections there. Cool. So yep. And then I got a new power block, or I guess you could say distribution block, that goes under the hood because I have a battery relocation kit, putting the battery in the back. So this one's gonna be a little nicer because it has 8 little studs all the way around. It's gonna make for mini connections that are requiring 12 volt hot all the time. And then of course you got the main one or several others that are just kind of just larger wiring in size for that to connect there, and that will be 12 volt source under the hood. I got this Alex Tech split sleeve kind of stuff. This is some wire loom that I will be using. So here it is right here. Pretty nice stuff. It is split, so you can undo it. This looks to be to where they kind of use this for like home theater, but it also labeled it as automotive, indicating that it's going to hold up to some kind of heat, So we got this stuff. This is actually off Amazon. It wasn't too bad of a price. Feels real nice. I love the look of it. This is gonna be a big upgrade from that cheap plastic loom that you see at the insert auto part store name here, kind of stuff. So this is what it'll be wrapped in. I have various sizes for varying different circuits, and to kind of get this all wrapped up real nice.